The comparison between loans helps in determining the true overall interest expense of multiple loans. If you are working with two or more loans and you want to find their average interest rate, you cannot simply add them and divide by the number of loans. The outcome is going to be distorted when the amounts borrowed are different. To determine the average rate, you need to calculate the weighted average. This means that greater weight is given to larger amounts borrowed and less to smaller amounts. The formula for weighted average looks like this one. We have the interest rate for loan 1 multiplied by the division of borrowed amount loan 1 and total of amount borrowed, and this is added to the interest rate of loan 2 multiplied by the division of borrowed amount of loan 2 and the total amount borrowed. And here is an example. If you have two loans outstanding, the first is a $10,000 loan at 7.5% and the second is an $18,000 loan at 12%. What is the weighted average of these loans? Let's summarize this on a spreadsheet. Okay, let's insert, these are the loan amounts, the loan 1 $10,000, loan 2 $18,000. Here are the interest rates of the two loans, 7.5 and 12%. And here is the sum of the two loan amounts, loan 1 and loan 2, $28,000. And the weighted average for the first loan is the interest rate of loan 1 multiplied by the loan amount of loan 1 and the total amount of the two loans. And here is 2.679%. And the weighted average for the second loan is the interest rate of loan 2 multiplied by the division of the amount of loan 2 divided by the loan amounts altogether. And here it's 7.714. And here is the weighted average of two loans, which is a sum of the two averages. Okay, so here we also can play around and change the sums. Here, for example, we can change the percentages, everything. Calculating weighted average is not a complicated process as long as the relative role of each loan is expressed in fractional form. The total amount borrowed is always the denominator and each loan represents the numerator.